Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con los brazos unidos y piernas abiertas delante del vehículo y los
The Seas with Nemo and Friends. In 360 degrees.
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo!
Oh, let's go explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that. We went on a huge adventure together. We did
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like he only smaller?
That's jellyfish!
Good.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Dory, stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloon.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Dory, stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloon.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. Look, I'm scared now.
You're not helping!
Neener, neener, neener.
Stop fooling around!
I wonder if clownfish taste
Stop fooling around!
Why they do bite for a little bite. Oh, all right, you for a little bite. Clownfish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. Don't worry, morsel, mate. Fish are friends for food. I wonder if clownfish
Welcome to the EAC!
excitement of the dentist's office. Hey, open wide. Have you got any fillings, retainers, crowns? Oh, what I'd give to see a good root canal. Wait, take me with you. I mean, it's a nice song, but they just never stop. I mean, never stop. No! Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.